we got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa, but I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Here is how they turned out. I think it's very minimal, but I like it. Just a little something Christmassy. Happy Vlogmas number 8. We're going to the hair salon now. I'm so happy because I curled it yesterday, and the thing about my hair is that the curls don't last unless I use hairspray, which I don't have. Even so, the next day it looks like this. I'm most likely going to paint my nails again because I don't really like this color. Today is another one of my cousin's birthday, one that's not been on my channel, and we're getting her a gift right now. So we're going Christmas gift shopping. Later today I'm going to get ready for her birthday, taking you guys along for that. I don't think I showed you guys my outfit, but here it is. I love it. I love this pants. I love this color so much in clothing. And then I have my long sleeve top. It's a turtleneck, which, like I said in the video where I got it, it's not too flattering on me because I don't have that much neck. So I really like it. And I feel like these colors, navy and this mustard green yellow, so well together. And I have my Veja sneakers and my everyday bag. So cute. I'm so glad to be back with the red, and I don't know if you can tell, but there's just a slight shimmer to them. I'm gonna have to put my hair up for now because the mall to get the gift. We're going to Zara. I already have an idea of what I want to get her. I have to put my hair up because the turtleneck is a little bit wet from washing my hair. I tried drying it, but that was unsuccessful. It's still pretty wet, so I'm gonna have to put my hair up for now. So I need to get ready, so I'm gonna do this really quickly, but I ended up getting her the cropped shirt. That's very much her style, so I think she's going to really like it. And then for myself, I did get this red crop top with this voluminous sleeves. It's got this corset styled front. Hopefully it will look nice so that I can wear it today, but if not, I might exchange it for the dress. So here's the top. It's really cute, but I don't think I like it with this pants. These are the ones that I got from the thrift mystery box. And then the top keeps falling off my shoulders. I had to tie it in the back. I'm not sure that looks bad, but my hair is gonna be down. I wish I could have shown you guys the process of deciding, but we're super late. Decided to go with this thrifted top and theory jeans, the one that I used for my pop-up shop opening. And then I have finally wearing these Shots boots. So cute. I need to do a little bit of makeup, choose a bag, and then we're done. Forgot to sign the gift with a card, and I just remembered that I had those Hallmark Christmas cards that I could have used. We are currently have not found parking, so we were waiting for the valet parking. We've been here for like 10 minutes. I feel really good in this outfit, except for the fact that this top is so uncomfortable every time that I lean forward, but it's so cute. And